How to delete WhatsApp group. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this quick and easy video. Now, if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, and yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are actually an owner or admin of a group if you fully want to delete it. So what you want to do is go to that group. Then once you are in, click on the top when you see the name. Then once you are here, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then here you have the option to exit the group. Now, if you click on there, it says only group admins will be notified that you left the group. Now, if you want to completely delete the group and not simply just leave it, then what you first want to do is simply kick every member. So if you click on someone, so this person right here, then I get these three options. So info, make group admin, remove from group. So you first have to remove everyone from the group before you can actually leave. Now, there are also some admins here. So if I click on there, I could actually dismiss them as admin and then remove them from the group. So that's what I could do in order to delete it. And once I have removed every single member, I can simply click on exit group again and then exit the group as well. So that's how you can completely delete a WhatsApp group. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.